Hello and welcome, Haney and Company clients, to this tutorial on how to use the TaxCaddy portal system. So whether you're a new client or an existing client looking for a refresher, you're in the right spot, and we got you covered. Navigating a new system can sometimes feel like trying to find your way through a maze. It's easy to get lost and confused. But don't worry. We're here to make this process as simple as possible. And before we begin, remember, we're just a phone call or email away. So feel free at any point during this tutorial or after, if you come across any questions, call us at 801-972-4800 or email us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. We understand that technology can feel daunting and overwhelming, and we're committed to make this process as smooth and stress-free as possible for you. So sit back and relax and enjoy this tutorial. And by the end, you're going to be able to navigate TaxCaddy like a pro. So the first area of this tutorial that we'd like to cover is how to actually get into TaxCaddy. So you all should be receiving an email from TaxCaddy on the behalf of Haney with a registration link. Once you click on that registration link, you should be able to register your email with a password to TaxCaddy. To be able to access TaxCaddy, you go to haneycpas.com, our website. You'll land on our landing page. From here, you click on Client Portal, View TaxCaddy, and that will take you to the TaxCaddy portal landing page. Here, if you cannot find that link that was originally sent to you and you'd like a new one, you can click this Send Me a New Login link. Also, if you're having any other troubles logging in, you can click this link and provide your email, which will give you some resources, or you can click on the TaxCaddy support, and there's this the bot that can get you paired up with a support person that's actually really useful as well. Okay. Once you're able to sign in with your username and password, you may be asked to authenticate yourself by typing in a 6-digit code that it would send to your cell phone. So once you get that typed in, you should then be directed to the TaxCaddy landing page. Okay, so here under Gather and Prepare on the Overview tab, you'll most likely see a document request list, which will be a listing of all the documents that you provided in the prior year. This will be kind of like a reminder as you're uploading documents, which ones you'll need to provide. You may see a questionnaire here as well. That questionnaire takes place of the usual organizer with the questions that we'll go through, and they'll be dynamic. Depending on what your answers are, it may throw in some additional questions. From the Overview and the Documents tab, you're able to provide the documents for your tax preparation. As you can see, there's a spot to upload your 2023 tax documents, and also an area to upload your 2024 tax documents. This 2024 tax documents is more as a convenience for you, as during the year, say like you sold a house and you had your settlement statement and you just want to go ahead and provide it before you forget it. You can access your TaxCaddy portal system at any time and go ahead and upload those documents here. We'll focus in on this 2023 tax documents area for right now. So you can drag and drop documents here, or you can click and then navigate out onto your computer to find those documents. I happen to have a W-2 from work that I can upload right here. To upload it, you just click, drag, drop. We'll ask you what year is it related to. We put 2023 in this case. And then it has a bunch of different categories that you can link it to. If you don't see the category that you're looking for, go ahead and select Other. It will then get uploaded into a general bucket on our side, and we can then parse them out to where they need to go. If you're not sure, select Other, and that, or decide later, and that will be just fine. And we can get it into its right spot when we prepare the tax return. For this, I'll just click W2 since it's W2. And then it's asking for a subcategory, which we don't need to put. And we'll just put upload. You can see that it took care of it right there. You can add additional document there if you need to, which we don't. We'll just hit close. And from there, you can't really see which documents have been uploaded from this screen. But if you click Documents, we'll be able to see all the documents that we've uploaded. So I've uploaded 2 W-2s, one right before this tutorial. So since it's in here twice, what you can do is click on these 3 dots. You can view it, download it if I want, move it to a different category, or since it's in here twice, we'll hit delete. And then the one that we want remains. Okay. So another question that we often get is, how can I add a spouse or other person to my account? To do this, you go to the top right and click on your name. You'll see some options. You want to select the first one, Settings. Once you select Settings, you'll see a number of tabs across the top. Go to the last one and click on Additional User Account. Once there, you're able to identify if you don't have a spouse or what your spouse's name, email, and then you confirm the email here. If it's someone else, just go ahead and click Other and describe that relationship. Once everything's in there, you can send them an invitation to the portal system, and they can assist in helping gather all the documents. Also, one really cool feature about TaxCaddy is the Smart Links. Smart Links actually is a way for you to create a link between your financial institution and your TaxCaddy portal. So when you're say like your 1099B or 1099 INT or DIV consolidated 1099 comes out, it will automatically upload to your TaxCaddy portal and you don't have to worry about it. It even works if there's a corrected 1099. It will automatically upload as well. To do this, you just go ahead and you click on whoever your provider may be. They actually link to 300 different providers. So there's a good chance that your financial advisor or financial institution is included within this list. Once you click on your financial institution, if you have to search out, that's another option. But once you click on it, then you'll put in your username and password for that financial institution, and then it becomes paired. Okay, so let's see. Some other questions that we have received. What to do if your documents are uploaded to the wrong category. Like I said a moment ago, it's okay. And we can fix it from our side, and we will. So no need to worry about that. If you happen to notice, feel free to move it. It's, as we saw, you go to the Documents tab here, click on these 3 arrows, and you can move the category that it's associated to, that easy. Okay, another question that we've received too is, say you don't have a scanner, but you have a document here in front of you with your smartphone. Is there a way to get that document into your TaxCaddy portal? The good news is that there is. So the best way to do this is to download the TaxCaddy app onto your cell phone via the Apple App Store or the Android App Store. Just search TaxCaddy. It's the app from Thomson Reuters. Once you get that app downloaded on your phone, then you'll be able to sign in, authenticate yourself, and from the overview or documents tab, these tabs will appear on the bottom of your smartphone screen. You'll see a plus sign down at the bottom right of your screen. You just click on that plus sign from either one of these two tabs, then you'll be able to take a picture. When you take a picture of that document, it will automatically upload it to your TaxCaddy portal as a PDF. When it's uploaded, you'll also be able to identify what category it relates to as well, just like you are when you access it from the computer. So those are the main features of TaxCaddy. We also received the question, why do I use TaxCaddy and when would I use Canopy? When you navigate to the client portal system, you can see that there's two options here. This TaxCaddy portal system really functions as a system to provide the documents to us. The Canopy portal system is still important and will still be used. Canopy will be where all your tax returns from the past and the current year will be stored. Canopy will be the place where you'll go to also sign the form 8879. That form 8879 gives us permission to then e-file the tax return after you have reviewed it and you're happy with it and your trusted advisor, CPA, is also happy with it. The Canopy is the place where you'll find that form to be able to e-sign. Okay, well, thank you again for choosing Haney & Company as your CPA, and we're happy to have you with us. Feel free to contact us at 801-972-4800 or by emailing your CPA if you have any questions. Again, thank you, and we appreciate your time.